Real Idiots Production presents Paper Airplane Part 3.
Hello?
Hey, that's your airplane?
Yeah?
It looks crappier than before.
Okay, whatever.
Check out mine. Taco made it. I fell down the stairs. No, well, you know what? Mine's going to win, so I'm going to bet my lava win.
I'm gonna bet my mom.
Sweet, if I win, she'll be my maid forever.
But if I win, I'll win her as my maid still, and I win this.
It's on. I'll go first. You better go far. Damn! Ha ha ha.
Rematch!
You suck. Fine. Even though your plane is so crappy. What the hell? I'm gonna kill you! Ah! I'm gonna kill Taco.
Yeah. Tape in the trunk.
Ah!